So friends, to solve any puzzle in chess, first thing you must remember, analyze the board. Just keep calm and analyze the whole board, where your pieces is placed, where your opponent pieces is placed. Yeah, this is the first tip you keep in your mind. And second tip is provoking the weaknesses. And for provoking the weaknesses, you must have to create the weakness or find the weakness. Of course, weakness are of two types. Yeah, as you see the whole board, knight on c3 is look like a weakness because when we place our bishop to this square lying on this diagonal, this pawn is unable to take because the rook is just lost. Yeah, let me show. Bishop to b4, this pawn is unable to take, so white must place his bishop on d b2, just supporting the c3 knight. So now if we pressurize the c3 knight by playing our move knight to e4, but this doesn't help because this knight is not take this knight because this queen is just lost. But white must take our knight, we take rook, bishop takes queen, knight takes queen, king takes knight. See, who is better? Of course white is better in this position because white has a one bishop up. So what the conclusion is, this is a wrong weakness that beginners mistake this one. So I show you this. And so what is the correct weakness? Yeah, so correct weakness is f2 square. f2 square is weak. See, f2 square is weak. Why? Let me show you. Because bishop takes on f2, king takes on f2. Now what? Queen to b6? No, because king moved to d1 and escape. King moved to e1 and just escape on d1 to c2. Yeah, this move doesn't help much. So now what we do? Yeah, knight has a eligible, knight is eligible to jump on this square and just keeping on the eye on these two square. So we conclude these two square are the poison square where the king plays and the knight is placed. So we simply sacrifice our queen as a force, otherwise white just lost the knight. So queen takes queen. Now knight to e4 check. No matter at all where the king move, we just take the queen. And yeah, so friends, how many of you know the name of this concept? Let me know in the comment section below. And for more videos, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for new updates. And thanks for watching.